All right, you guys are sitting in your car waiting to pick up your daughter, and then you have the sun bearing down on your arm and on your leg, and it's totally burning you up. So, what do? I think I know the answer. Let's go check on Amazon. All right, we're at the car checking out the Kinder Fluff UV protectant, window screen protector, sunblock, whatever. It comes in a pack of 4, comes in this nice little carrying case. As you can see here, the edges are bendable, just like those sun reflectors that you put on your windshield, except these are way smaller and meant for your side windows. Let's pull one out. Here we go, and it just flaps right open. As you can see on the other end, this is the part that sticks to your window. It is not sticky. It's the same material as those static oil change stickers that you get on top of your car. Same material. It's not sticky at all, as you can see here. So all you do, you flip it around. This is the other side. This is the side that supposedly blocks the sun from your arm. Right now I am waiting at my daughter's school, picking her up, and the most painful thing is standing here and having your arm and leg bake in the sun. So let's stick this on here just like this. Use your hand to get rid of all those bubbles, and as you can see here, I have a nice shade, nice cool shade. So today is about 80 degrees, so we'll see how well this thing lasts in the sun. Yeah, we'll check back in a few minutes because I still have like 15 minutes to go, and let's see if this thing will peel off. All right, we're back 20 minutes later, and it seems to be holding on well, especially with direct sunlight. So one of the benefits is it is see-through. I believe you can use this while driving on the highway. The great thing about it is that it does not cover your entire window. So if you put it here, you'll have access to your side mirrors, and you'll have enough visibility to check blind spots and whatever. So this product is on Amazon for $15, and I believe it's worth it, especially with me waiting for my daughter every day at school, and constantly driving, doing long road trips and not getting your arm burned. I've seen people wear long sleeve shirts to drive, and gloves and whatever, because it just gets so darn hot sometimes. So the only thing negative I have to say is that the static backing sometimes comes loose, but the whole thing does not fall off. It's just the edges, so you might need to re-adhere it to the windshield. And the fabric material itself, it's easily wrinkled, so you can see it here, but I don't believe it affects the main purpose of this product. Other than that, I'm going to be using this from now on. If you want to check it out, check out the link in my description below, and try it out and let me know how it is. Thank you guys for watching.